To use the emoji tools, simply go to the left-hand panel and click the emoji icon, or put your cursor over and a little arrow comes up, which you can just press. You're all probably pretty used to this, but you can either go to the search panel, type in the emoji you want and press enter, or you can select one of your most frequently used emojis. Once you select it, simply click the chart and the emoji will come up. You can make the emoji as big or as small as you like, and then you can drag it and place it wherever you want. To edit it, click it, go in, you can change its colors or delete it by pressing delete, or just press delete on your keyboard. It's as simple as that. If you ever have any questions, never hesitate to email us, support@protrader.com.au.